Hi everyone, welcome to our channel KPL Learning, and this is your host Kaval Barara. Thank you so much for tuning in. It is rightly said, show me, I will tell. Teach me, I will remember. But involve me, I will learn. Mirroring the same thought, at KPL, our team of educators has researched and designed innovative tools for different subjects based on experiential learning or learning by doing. And today, I am going to walk you through one such amazing kit, which is called the Spell Bee. As the name suggests, it is designed to make the struggle of teaching spellings and English language to the little ones simpler. First things first, I will be talking about the features of this kit. This kit comes in a zip pouch and has a very colorful foam board. This is made up of foam and has a groove in the center. The other parts of this kit are foam blocks on which alphabets are printed. Each block is made up of foam. It is strong yet flexible. Each block has a letter printed on both sides. One side it is the lowercase and the other side it is the uppercase. We have 4 such pieces of each letter. That means we have 4 sets of alphabets. We also have 5 punctuation marks, which are a question mark, a comma, an exclamation mark, a full stop and an apostrophe. So all in all we have 4 blocks of each color. That was about the features of the kit. Let's start with some activities. If we talk about English language, first activity that comes to my mind is identification of alphabets. Let's start with A. So if you ask the child to pour out all the blocks on a table and find out letter A, the child will go through all this and look for letter A. Once the child finds out the letter A, you can always tell them to find 4 such blocks. And you will also see that the blocks are in different colors. Well, there is a reason to it. Now you have given the activity to the child to find out A's from this lot. The child will find out one A, another A, a third one, and the 4th one. By the time the child arranges the letter A on the table, he will realize that it is all pink in color. Next time, when you are going to ask the child to find out A, automatically his mind will go to the color pink. Now this way you can give the practice for all the alphabets. Now let's talk about the next activity. Let's say the child now knows how to arrange the letters of alphabet. Once the child has arranged the English alphabet, I think there can be so many activities from this arrangement. You could ask them to pick up all the pink cards and place them on this board. That is, the child will select A, then E, then I, O, and U. And yes, the vowels are all pink in color. So identification of vowels and consonants can be one of the activities. Another activity that comes to my mind is teaching of add family words or maybe and family words. You can ask the child to pick up A and T from the lot and place it on the board. Once the child has placed AT, now ask the child to make different words using AT. For example, the child takes P and places it here, so it becomes P, at, pat. And similarly, you can teach and family words, of family words, and so on. And one such interesting, innovative, and fun-loving activity can be formation of small words out of a big word. For example, you can give your children a big word like innovation and ask them to first find out all the letters of the word innovation and place them on the table. So they can place the letters of the word innovation like this on their table. And then you can ask them to make 2-letter words out of these letters and place them on this foam board. So the child can start with, let's say, I, and N becomes I and in. In the same way, the child can make on, it, at, and so on. And the next can be making 3-letter words out of a big word. Going to a little higher level for the children, we can also have an activity based on formation of sentences. For example, you can select a word, let's say rat. Ask the child to place RAT rat on this foam board and then form a sentence using rat. So now the child knows that he has to make a sentence using rat. Let's say the child wants to make sentence, I saw a rat, full stop. So you are going to tell the child to pick up all the letters of I, saw, a, rat and the full stop. So this is how the sentence will look on the foam board. Well, these were only a few activities that I could accommodate in this session of such a short span. You as teachers can think of many more activities depending upon the topic, the age group, the concept that you want to teach to your children. I'm sure by now I have kickstarted the whole lot of ideas in your mind on this kit. If you have different ideas, different activities, do connect with us. For that, visit our website www.kpllearning.com, and trust me, you're going to enjoy when you visit our website because you're going to find amazing tools lying out there for you to try. I hope you enjoyed this session on Spell Bee. I will be back with more sessions on different tools. If you have enjoyed this session, do consider subscribing to our channel because then you will get a notification of the other episodes that we are going to upload very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.
Hello everyone, I'm Jessica. I am presently teaching my little niece Radhya, who's studying in KR Mangalam school. And I'm going to show you how well she uses the Spell Bee activity kit.
Radhya, you have to find out letter A. Can you search letter A from here?
This is alphabet A.
Very good. Find out more alphabet A.
This is a big A.
Very good.
I want more A. This is a big A.
Very nice.
I want a more O. Only.
You must see how much engrossed the kids are while using these kits. And I recommend these kits to all the young mothers and teachers all over the world to use it for their children.
Thank you, Jessica. That was indeed wonderful.